Did you know Finnish children sleep in rooms so cold you can see their breath? While most parents crank up the heat, Finnish families do the opposite. Babies nap outside in strollers when it's minus 20 degrees. Toddlers take ice baths like it's a warm shower. Kids walk to school in winter wearing just light jackets. Sounds crazy, right? But here's what happens inside their bodies. When you're constantly cold, your body becomes a calorie-burning machine. Finnish people burn hundreds of extra calories every single day just staying warm. Their bodies create more brown fat, the good fat that melts regular fat for fuel. Their cells grow more mitochondria, tiny engines that torch calories around the clock. Even their hunger hormones balance naturally. Meanwhile, we blast our heaters and wonder why we gain weight in winter. We sleep in warm bedrooms and toss and turn all night. The Finns figured out something we forgot. Your body needs cold to function properly. Comfort isn't making you healthier, it's making you weaker. Maybe it's time to turn down that thermostat.